Alright, we're going to start this video off with a speedrun assembly of the TMG Industrial Gantry crane with a half-ton push trolley, linking it to a half-ton, 10-foot manual chain hoist. And when I say speedrun, I mean like we're just going to blast right through this, so cue the music.
Kills my music, that kind of sucks.
Now, with the gantry crane assembled, we're going to move over to the compressor, where I'm going to pull the top and bottom plugs on this thing, so we can get to the insides and see about cleaning this whole thing out. Seeing as this is going to take a while, we're just going to kind of skip through this here. I tend to ramble, so I can't imagine I'm saying anything important during all this. Well, as you can imagine, this electric Mastercraft impact gun is not the greatest on the market, so it's having a lot of trouble getting this plug out. The fact that all I have right now to heat it up is a propylene torch, and I don't have oxyacetylene. I also don't have a magnetic induction heater, which is my next move, so I'm just going to struggle with this for the next little while.
It is twisting. Oh yeah. But all those plates, that's all rust that's coming out of the threads there.
So, while we're here, I'd just like to take this opportunity to say that, contrary to popular belief, using heat to loosen threads has less to do with expanding the threads away from the bolt, or in this case, the plug, and more to do with reducing the friction coefficient of the heated material.
Sick. See what she looks like.
Come with me. We need a light on. Let's see whether it'll let me do that. Not available while using ultra-wide. Very well. Yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, that's disgusting. Oh yes, yeah. Lovely. So, yeah, so probably good idea that I'm taking this off. Clean this out because that's disgusting. Yeah, so pull the motor off and let's get this thing up in the air. And do the bottom plug as well. That worked quite well. Alright, we're gonna need some more of that super sweet music. There's a way. It's not easy coming off, but I'm glad I did it. Yes, this thing is uber disgusting. Let's see if we can get a shot in there. Hello? And smoky? As you can see, the camera didn't really want to focus on anything other than the smoky smoke, so we'll have to wait to get the tank back up on its feet, then we'll take a closer look on the inside. Lift it up, and I'll get it close to the door so I can get the pressure washer over here, and then we'll blast this thing out. Try to get a quick view what we're dealing with inside. There's a light. Let's see if we can get in there first. Oh yeah, lovely. Yes, that's the kind of shit that I want going through all my airlines. So yeah, it's just total score. I mean, like I got this thing for like $200, and all I really have to do is change out the compressor, which I got for, honestly, I think that thing was only $200. Like, it was a solid price. Really nice unit, too. And then it's just disgusting because people don't usually drain these things and clean them out. So, let's get the pressure washer going and blast this thing clean. Now, before I bring back those dope beats you can't help but jam to, I'd just like to give a little backstory to this whole compressor situation. So I picked this thing up off Facebook Marketplace for about $200. The original owner told me that apparently the two-piston pump had dropped a cylinder. So I imagine that the ring lines are probably blown out on it. I actually haven't taken it apart yet. Probably be interesting to take a look. But chances are he just kept adding more oil to the pump, and all that oil was just blowing by the ring lines and dumping into the tank, which he then left for me to clean out. So, as you can see, I'm getting a lot of it out of it, but I'm gonna need a degreaser, which I toss in right here. You can see it all bubbling up here. It's actually Dawn dish soap. That stuff works amazing. I actually use it on the floor afterwards. Floor looks immaculate. So, and it's not really bad for the environment or anything, so I don't feel guilty about doing this either. Not that I feel guilty about stuff anyways. Now, where's that stolen music? So the floor cleaned up so well. Let's see, I gotta zoom in a bit, so let's turn the light on. Now, all right. To be fair, still looks kind of gross, eh? Let's see. Okay. Now, all of the grease and water and all that crap is at least all out of it. That's just oxidization. Nothing we can do about that. I'm gonna leave the plugs off. The irony is that I'd love some compressed air to blow around in there to kind of blast everything out, but that's not going to work, obviously. So I'm thinking about, I do have a fan that I could probably put along the top section, at least just something that's constantly putting air through it. And this is what I'm doing to kind of try and dry this tank out over the course of tonight and probably tomorrow and probably another day, we'll see. A key takeaway for today. TMG Industrial Gantry frame. This thing, it's your part number. I'll include all the part numbers. This thing is worth every penny. Very satisfied customer. I'm gonna go piece all this video together. See how this turns out.